back, and I'm just about to start to move up the shoreline here. Start casting along that and see how we do. Once again, I'm really tired, so if I'm not saying too much, that's the reason. That is the reason. I just jumped right in front of me. Alright, moved in too close here. It's going to be hot today. It's picked up quite a bit. Grass all over my lure here. Wind isn't doing so great for my camera angle here. A little bit of wind that we do have. It's not helping. That awake. There's a little one falling. Nothing huge though, nothing huge. There's one. Oh, that's a better one. Oh. decent one, actually. Things considered. Oh, easy there. Oh yeah, he's fat. I've seen him come up and hit it. This one's fat. That'll wake you up in the morning. Like a pound, maybe? Yeah, probably a pound. Decent little smallie. There he goes. So we'll be back. More fishing to come.